Hey guys, it's a Big Mobile One here, and today I am filming on location from my floor instead of my bed. I got this package and it's been sent. I've been waiting for a long time. I thought I want to get here on time, so thank goodness it did. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna set this down. Hopefully this is what I ordered, guys. Woohoo! Yes, it is! Alright. So, in here we have the Lego City Advent Calendar. Can't believe I have it. That is cool there. And then I have the Lego Star Wars calendar. Alright. And then I have the Lego Marvel calendar in the flesh. Ah! And then I have the Lego Harry Potter calendar. Cool. And so, I am going to... Wait a minute. Which way do you... Aha, I see which way you open it. Aha. Actually, I'm not even going to bother. So, yeah. Here you go. Star Wars City. There you go. All 4 Advent calendars for this year. I'll be starting this one in a few weeks. Then Marvel. Then Harry Potter. Then Star Wars. I can hardly wait. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.